Hello people, I'm Errol from Supreme DPF Cleaning. Welcome to our new video on Golf Diesel 2 liter which came in with the DPF issues and power loss. How was your car and how is it driving now? We had a long test run. Can you tell us please?
It was terrible and it has gone into limp mode, and I've already had it cleaned 6 months ago, but obviously not properly. Or
where did you get it cleaned? Do you know?
At First Diesels in Croydon, which I wouldn't recommend to anyone.
And then?
And then it's blocked up again. It put the car into limp mode a couple of days ago. Contacted Errol and his guys, and 48 hours later the car is running like a dream, like it's brand new, better than when I first bought it. So yeah, responsive, there's no smoke, a lot quicker.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy, yeah, very, very happy, considering I need the car very urgently this week, and thankfully
over the weekend.
Thank you very much. It's been, I've made you work hard, but yeah. I'm so pleased. Thank you.
I'm happy as well because you are happy. Okay, we are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. DPF is what we know, turbos what we know, EGRs what we know, and it's our business. We are also quantum tuning Bromley Kent ECU programmers, certified engineers. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 for your turbo, DPF, EGR issues. Thanks for watching.